At Tool Hangers, we have one goal: provide you an upscale way of organizing and displaying your tools. Whether you prefer to use pegboard or fasten directly to a wall, we hope to offer creative and high-end solutions. Tool hangers are perfect for your garage, shop, storefront, workbench, or wherever you proudly display and organize your tools. Nothing is more frustrating than trying to do a project and not being able to find the correct tool quickly. With tool hangers, we provide a solution for drills, batteries, circular saws, sanders, and more. We also offer shelving. All of our products are proudly made in the USA. Constructed of metal and covered in a powder coat, these organizers are sure to last the test of time and be part of your shop forever. Give Tool Hangers a try today. We are so confident that you will enjoy our products. We offer a 30-day money-back guarantee. All domestic orders over $25 always ship free. Tool Hangers, the only way to keep your shop organized.